the costly mistakes of posting on one social platform and how to fix it. Are you making this major mistake with your online marketing? You spend time creating great content. You post it on one social platform. And then, crickets. If you think just being on Facebook or Instagram is enough, think again. You're leaving money on the table and letting your competition steal your customers. The good news? There's a fix, and it's easier than you think. Let's dive into the 3 biggest mistakes local service providers make when posting on just one platform, and how to fix them to get more leads, customers, and a better ROI. 1. You're ignoring a massive audience. Think about this. Your ideal customer is not just on one platform. They're scrolling TikTok, watching YouTube Shorts, checking Instagram, and searching on Google. If you're only posting in one place, you're missing huge chunks of your audience. The fix. Turn one post into multiple pieces of content. A single blog post can become a video, short-form clips, shorts, reels, TikToks, and even tweets. Repurpose your content smartly. Instead of constantly creating new content, repurpose what you already have across different platforms. Use automation tools. Platforms like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Metricool can help you schedule posts across multiple channels with ease. More platforms occur, more reach, more leads. Simple as that. 2. You're letting your content die too soon. You post on Facebook. A few people see it. Then it's gone, buried under new posts. All that effort, wasted. Different platforms have different lifespans for content. A Facebook post might last a few hours. A YouTube video? Years. The fix? Prioritize evergreen content. Blog posts and YouTube videos keep bringing in traffic long after posting. Keep your content alive. Share past posts again, update old content, and re-upload clips to different platforms. You eventually turn blog posts into videos. Video content gets more engagement and better reach than static posts. Your content should work for you, not disappear overnight. 3. You're not building authority and trust everywhere. Let's be real. Customers don't just buy from who they see once. They buy from who they see everywhere. If you only post on one platform, you look like just another small business. But if you're showing up everywhere, you become the go-to expert in your industry. The fix. Be active on multiple platforms. Post consistently on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to stay top of mind. Use video to build trust. People trust faces more than words. A short video explaining your service can do wonders. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and start conversations. The more people see you engaging, the more they trust you. When you show up on all platforms, people recognize you, trust you, and choose you over the competition. The ultimate fix, a strategy that works for you. Posting everywhere might sound overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can do it without spending hours on content creation. Here's what we do for our clients. We take a single blog post and turn it into videos, shorts, reels, and more. We schedule everything across all major social platforms. We ensure your content stays alive and keeps attracting customers. The result? More leads, more customers, and a stronger online presence without extra effort on your end. Ready to get more leads without extra work? If you're serious about growing your local service business online, you need to be on multiple platforms. We can help. We'll take your content, repurpose it into videos and social posts, and keep your brand active everywhere your customers are looking. More reach, more engagement, more leads, better ROI. Don't let your content go to waste. Let's turn it into a lead-generating machine. Book a free strategy call today.